Hey friends, today I'm going to explain about a new Gmail feature that is confidential mode. Basically, these features allow you to prohibit recipients from forwarding the emails or copying and pasting of the emails. To using the confidential mode, you need to move your Gmail on new design, and this design can be enabled through the settings. Because I have already moved my Gmail on the new design, that's why I'm getting this message over here. To using the confidential mode, you need to just compose the email and add some recipients and add few contents. Because I have just added the recipients, added some subject, added some content, but you can add your content as per your requirement. You can add your recipients as per your requirement. So once I come back on the compose option, so I can see there is a new tab which is recently added by the Google. Earlier it was only send options and these components were visible. So once I click on the send option, so it is the same email sending way as earlier what we were doing in the previous Gmail design. But when I am going to click on the turn on confidential on or off, so I can see the briefly explained about the confidential mode. And also confidential mode is divided into two segments. One is set expiry and second is require passcode. So in the set expiry, when I am expanding this option, so I can see a time duration is mentioned over here when messages will be expired after sending to the recipients. So I am just selecting expires in a 1 day. Now require passcode. So if you enable this option, I mean if you selected the SMS passcode, then recipients require a passcode which is sent by the Google to access the email, to access the content of the email. So because I have just selected this option and now I am going to click on the save. Once I save, the confidential mode pop up. So I got a new pop up on the composed email, and I'm just sending. You need to very careful about the phone number, because if you have selected the SMS passcode, so you need to enter the correct phone number of the recipients. Only then recipients can read the email contents. So I'm just send it. The messages has been sent out. Now I'm going to refresh the inbox on the recipient end. Now I received this email with the subject line which I mentioned in the sender end. I'm just accessing the email. Now I can see there are some difference on the email which I received. I'm unable to see the content because I had just clearly mentioned that only getting the SMS passcode can access the email. So I am just clicking on the send passcode. A new passcode will be sent by the Google on this phone number. This is I'm just entering the submit. It was just verifying the correct passcode. Now I can see the content which is sent by the end user. This is test contents with new features, and now I will see how confidential mode works. When I am trying to copying this, I am unable to do. Now I am trying to forward the email. I am unable to forward the email as well. So this is the best feature of the confidential mode, in which you can just prohibit the recipient to accessing the content without entering the passcode, as well as also you can prohibit the end user to forwarding or copying pasting of the content, email content. So this is how confidential mode works in the Google. This confidential mode will be very useful for the person who is just receiving or sending the confidential data with company or with personal email account. Thanks for watching this video.